drone delivery project. Our project is a problem statement. Is customer expect the fast delivery and cost of delivery. This is a problem
statement.
Problem statement.
Okay, the first question. First question. Understood? I understood the problem. Please tell me your idea. Think.
Find the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and signal and use the radio and signal capable or signal capable or signal understanding. No signal understanding.
No signal understanding.
Radio.
Next one.
So each one can carry like 2 or 3 deliveries, sir. So it can be make a fast delivery.
Please express your idea. No idea, man. No idea.
Advanced drone delivery in market. Australia was using a conveyor system, sir. Or if it is in a supermarket, means we can use conveyor system for taking. If we click the what the product we need, means if we click this, automatically come to the customer. If it is in a delivery, in case in home, means already there is existing, sir, like apps like Uber, like that already existing, sir. In case of supermarket, I think you can use conveyor and sensor system for which product.
The problem statement is related with the drone technology.
Drone technology. Use less weightage drones for quick deliveries and less amount of costs. Sir, drone technology is same as that, sir. And customer maximum use large number of many number of products. So the drone must be more efficient to lift weight up to 30 to 40 kg. And maximum customer always order bulk in case of supermarkets. So the efficiency of the drone material should be strengthened so that it can lift up to 30 to 40 kg like that.
So increase the payload weight of the supermarket drones or delivery drones.
Yes,
Okay. So please read the idea.
Sir, they are signal positioning, sir.
Signal processing for delivering the goods to the customer. How it define what signal? Radio. How many of you accept this? Radio signal. Okay. Next year. For particular supply, you may use 2 or 3 drones for satisfying the customer needs. How many of you accept this? More than 1 drones, they may utilize. The advanced drones to be introduced for supplying the materials to customers. How many of you are interested in this idea? Rather than replacing the older drones, he suggested the newer or advanced drones to be available in the market. The connectivity between the dashboard and the drones for delivering the product in a particular time. So the app also incorporated with the drone delivery system. What about your priorities and the rankings? How many of you accept in this area?
Yes, sir. Sir, drone quick delivery master. Quick delivery.
So, drone delivery system is better than the traditional method. Likewise, we suggested. What about your ranking drones? Already the idea is in the Stanford Illuminate is available. So, already he talked about the things related to drones. He also suggested the same idea. So, we eliminate that idea. Okay. So, from the prioritization and the ranking session, the first idea is for first ranking idea is
One the more delivery faster. Drone
introduce the 3 drones for particular delivery to single customer. So from that you can accept this, okay. And also other ideas available like the mobile, yes, good. Mobile apps incorporation with the drone delivery. From that we can increase. Likewise, lot of ideas given by yourself. This is also one of the good points. Okay, the combination of the mobile app and the drone delivery system give the good result. This is also better idea. Please consider these ideas while you are design thinking prototype development. Okay, sir, that's the best.